Hi everyone and welcome to UWRT 1104 Writing and Inquiry with Studio. My name is Professor Pratt and I will be your professor this semester for UWRT. And I have been teaching at UNC Charlotte since 2008 and I really enjoy this UWRT class. I think it's a fun and engaging class because you end up having a lot of freedom in the reading and research that you do for our major project of the semester, which is called the Extended Inquiry Project. And you'll read more about this as you look through the course and the syllabus and the introductory materials. So I taught a summer UWRT course over the summer, which was completely online like the one you're doing. So it was kind of a practice run for this semester. So I know that most people are new to completely online learning, and so there may be some hiccups along the way, but we will deal with those as they come. So again, I know everyone is dealing with this new situation, so please don't, feel free to reach out if you have any questions or technical problems that you're having. So today, as you can see, we're on our home page. And I really just want to go over some basic things about the website and the class, point you to a few things on the home page. First of all, you can see I have my contact information here. So any questions, personal questions that you have that you wouldn't want to post to the Ask the Professor forum, you can email them to me. Otherwise, if you have any questions about the class, even now before classes begin, you can always post to this Ask the Professor forum. So clicking here, this is basically going to be a place for everyone, and you can see all the sections. We'll be able to see this. They can post questions that you have. It's a frequently asked question forum, basically. So what I'd like you to do after watching this video is make sure that you are subscribed to the Ask the Professor forum, because then you will be updated when someone posts a question. And usually if it's a question that one student has, it's one that a lot of people have. So that's a great resource for you. After watching this video, I would also suggest that you watch the Navigating the Course video as well. And I'll be sending out a announcement with the kind of an overview of what you'll be doing for week one. A few other things I want to point out on this home page. This is a 4-credit course, so that's something that a lot of students may overlook, but you have the 4th credit hour as what's called an online writing studio. So your regular coursework is going to be due every Tuesday and Thursday by 5 p.m. And then that 4th hour of online studios are due most Sundays by 5 p.m. There are some Sundays where you do not have a studio due. You'll also notice that our course is asynchronous. So hopefully you received my announcement earlier in the week, which went over some of the details about that. But basically, asynchronous means that you will be working through the course at your own pace based on the due date. So that means that we will not have set meeting times. There's no day of or time of the week that you have to be logged in for a Zoom session or anything like that. So as long as you are turning the work in by the time it's listed as due on Canvas, then you are keeping up with the coursework, okay? So if you missed that announcement, you should be able to see that up here. The Welcome to UWRT goes over some information about asynchronous and also about the books that you will need for the course. So please look that over if you haven't already. Let's see. So another thing that I would suggest looking at here is the buttons down here are meant to take you easily to places you'll need to be for the course. So I would suggest starting with the Start Here button. This will take you to a module to walk you through all the information that is also in the syllabus, but this breaks it down and I think in a more reader-friendly way. So I would suggest starting here. If you click on the Welcome button, you'll find some information about me, and then you can just click next through each of the pages. All right, so you'll need to read this to take the syllabus quiz during week 1, which you'll see on your schedule. Okay, let's see. Also, there's some information here to support you for online learning, and each of these buttons will take you to the week that we are currently on. So right now I just have week 1 open. So clicking on week 1 is going to take you to the week 1 module. And this is everything that you need to know week by week through the course. All the assignments will be listed here, and they're listed in the order that you will want to do them. Okay, so I strongly suggest you using these buttons here to go to the week we are on and clicking through the assignments that way. So to begin looking at the overview and then clicking through to see each assignment. Okay. So you can see this will lead you through the assignments in the order that I think it works best for you to do them. So there's some different sign-ups here for each section. So I have 3 sections here that are combined in this course. And when you get to this page, you'll know that your day's work is complete for that day. Okay. So I strongly suggest you use the links to the week that we're on rather than the to-do list. So the to-do list is great, but sometimes it's not listing the assignments in the order that it would be best to go through, and it doesn't lead you from one into the other. So I strongly suggest using the weekly, the links here, okay? So after watching this video, what I would like you to do is to watch the Navigating the Course video, subscribe to the Ask the Professor forum, and then start reading the material in the Start Here button. Okay, and that will then lead you into week 1 as well. And again, if you have any questions, you can post them to the Ask the Professor forum, and anything that you wouldn't want to post there, you can just email me. And I look forward to getting to know you all virtually this semester, and let me know if you have any questions.